We have a very exciting recipe today. You're gonna wanna serve it at all your favorite gatherings. Because today, I will be demonstrating how to combine all the right ingredients to tell a delicious story. First, let's make sure we have all of our ingredients. We're gonna need a who, a where, and a what happened. But that's not all. There are a few more ingredients that we need to make a great story. We're gonna need a beginning, a middle, and an end. Okay, let's start with our who first. Our who could be a cat named Mittens, a stegosaurus named Ralph, a boy named Jonah. I know. Let's make our story about a robot named Mia. Now we need a where. Let's say that Mia and her family moved into a new house. And of course, we're gonna need a what happened next. Well, if Mia just moved into a new house, she's probably gonna need to make friends. That's it. Mia made a new friend in her new neighborhood. All right, now we have our who, our where, and our what happened. Now we need to add 3 more important ingredients: a beginning, a middle, and an end. Let's start with the beginning. In the beginning of our story, Mia and her family have just moved to a new house. And Mia is sad because she doesn't have any friends in her new neighborhood. Okay, we have our beginning. Now let's add a middle. Let's say that one day Mia was sitting in her yard watching birds fly in the sky when she heard a voice. She looked over and saw a girl in the yard next door. And the girl said, "Hi, my name is Maria." Ooh, I'm liking this story. All right, all we need now is the end. Mia and Maria became good friends who liked to watch birds and play tag and make up stories together. And Mia wasn't sad anymore because she found a friend in her new neighborhood. The end. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now you know the recipe of how to make your own story. You just need a who, a where, and a what happened, as well as a beginning, a middle, and an end. With all the ingredients, you could cook up a delicious story. Oh, this is such a delicious story. Oh, hi, Mia. Hey, I want to share my new story with you. I think you'll love it. Enjoy telling your story, and remember to always be clever. It's really good, right? Do you want any more? I think I'm gonna eat all of it. If you don't, I will eat all of this. I will.